Hello kids, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Your Puspanjali ma'am is back again with a new video that is about food. Food means खाना. Yes, आ गया मुंह में पानी? Yes. So खाना हम लोग को क्यों चाहिए होता है? Why do you need food? Yes, we need food to live. And we all living things need food to live and to eat. Yes children, like plants, trees, birds, animals and human beings like me. So let's have a look about our healthy food and which are good for our health. So here you can see, yes, this is a smiley and it is smiling. See children, when you eat good food, no, you will be smile. So see here lots of vegetables. Yes, and here you can see a thali, full complete meal which includes dal, roti, rice and palak, paneer and everything. Can you see here? Milk. Yes, it's very important for you. दूध पियो तुम रोज ग्लास फुल. दूध है wonderful. After doodh, can you see this? Yes, it's ghee and it makes your body very active and strong. So you should have it. Now can you see this? Yogurt means curd, means dahi. दही में से क्या क्या बनता है? छाछ. Yes, you love to drink छाछ, right children? Now see this. What is it? Cheese, your favorite. Yes, you love to eat. Right? And can you see this? Yes, your favorite again. See, this is dosa and medu vada, idli, sambar, chutney. These are the healthy food. Okay? And it is chapati. And this is very important for you. And rice and apple. An apple a day keeps a doctor away. So every day you should eat a raw apple. Okay children? Now can you see this? It's a summer fruit. Watermelon, banana and so many fruits. And juice. Okay? And this is palak, spinach, green vegetables, leafy vegetables which are very good for our health. So you should have all these food items. Okay? And these are healthy for you. So you should have all these food items, healthy food every day to make yourself strong and healthy and active. In healthy food, okay children, some people eat vegetarian food and non-vegetarian food. And you know all these food are called vegetarian food. But in non-vegetarian food, which comes, do you know? Yes, egg, fish, chicken and all that. And these are called also healthy food. So children, good food means healthy food. Okay, food gives us power and energy to fight with the diseases. Okay, and do you know, if you eat good food, healthy food, it makes you happy. So eat healthy, be healthy and be happy.
Kids, I hope you have learned about healthy food, and now your ma'am is going to teach you about the food that is not so healthy, and it is also called as junk food. We all like to have such junk food, and that is pizza, burger, noodles, pasta, french fries, coke, etc. But that is not so good for our health. Yes, kids, it is not good for our health and we should not take it regularly. Sometimes it is okay, but not always. Kids, let's see few examples of junk food. Wafer, cake, noodles, french fries, ice cream, your mama that mama, my stomach is paining, and many a times at school also you'll complain to your ma'am, my stomach is, I'm having a stomach ache. Don't you all? Yes, because this food doesn't gives us energy. Because you all eat lots of junk food. That is why you should have lots of healthy food. Good food, good mood. Kids, now let's do some exercise on healthy food and junk food. Look, these are few pictures in which they are healthy and some are junk foods. We have to put a tick on healthy food and cross the junk food. And see what is the first image. Yes, these are fruits and it is very healthy for our health. Let's put a tick on fruits. Next is Coke, soft drinks and cold drinks and with ice cream, and that is not good for our health. So let's put a cross. Next is dosa, idli, mendu vada, and which is very good for our health. So let's put a tick. The next is muffins, cake, chocolates. Is it good for our health? No. Let's put a cross. The next is milk and milk products, which is cheese and yogurt, and it is very good for our health. Let's put a tick. The next is burger, pizza, noodles, french fries. Is it good? No. Let's put a cross. The next is a full meal, and which includes roti, dal, rice, fish, egg, salad, and it is very good for our health. So let's put a tick. The next is wafers, kurkure, and that is not good for our health. So put a cross. The next is vegetables. Yes, and this all vegetables are very good. So let's put a tick. I hope kids, you all have understood the exercise that your ma'am has showed you. Do practice and do the worksheet.
Yes kids, now you all have done with the exercises. Now we will do drawing practice. Let's start. So children, first we will write the heading. Okay, here on the top. So write capital F, then O-O-D. Okay, food. So first we will draw pictures for healthy food. Now we will write healthy food. Capital H. H-E-A-L-T-H-Y. Healthy. Leave one finger space. Then write F-O-O-D. Food. Then put a full stop. Okay. Now after this line, leave one line. Then from this line, we will draw the picture. So first, what we will draw? So we will draw the first picture for healthy food, that is an apple. Make one standing line. Then you curve. Then from this side, make a big curve and go down. And from this side also same. Go down. Here leave little space and opposite you curve. And here one curve. And here this side you will make one leaf. Slanting line. Opposite curve. Opposite curve. Yes, your apple is ready. Next we will draw a carrot. Sleeping line, slanting line, and join with a little curve. And here on the top, small 3 triangles like this. Okay, so close and here leaves. Okay, now make small slipping line inside it. Okay, and roots like this. Okay, now your carrot is ready. Next we will draw one tomato. Make a little star. Then from this side make one curve like this, and here from this side again like this. Your tomato is ready. Our next healthy food is a rice plate. So here make one curve, another curve, and join here, and both the sides slanting line, and join here. This is a rice ball, and here make curve line like this, and put dot like this. Yes, your rice plate is ready. Now what you eat with rice? Yes, it's dal. So make a bowl of dal. Yes, it is a bowl of dal, and inside this we will do yellow color because dal is yellow. Next we will draw a milk pouch. Okay, it is very healthy. So let's start. Make a sleeping line up down. Here this side up down, and this side slanting line from here go down, slanting line go down, and here in the corner up and down, and join with sleeping line. And inside this, here one sleeping line, leave some space, another sleeping line, and inside that we will write milk, M-I-L-K, milk. Okay, now here we will draw a glass of milk. So oval shape, both the sides slanting line, and join with sleeping line, and here some milk. Okay, so it is a glass of milk you drink in the morning. Now let's begin with the junk food. So capital J-U-N-K, junk. Leave one finger space, write F-O-O-D, food. So we will draw the first picture of a pizza. Okay, make one circle like this. Okay, now in the center put a dot, and here one slanting line, here one slanting line, and inside this another, leave some space, and slanting line and slanting line. This is the base of pizza. Okay, inside that make decorate with jalapeno, cheese and all that. Yes, put dot like this. Your pizza is ready to eat. Next we will draw picture of cold drinks. Okay, you love to drink cold drinks during summer season. Yes, sleeping line, slanting line, join with sleeping line, and here inside write M, McDonald. You love to go there, no? So here on the top curve, and here we'll make one straw. Okay, two slanting line like this, and small oval shape. Your Coke is ready. Next we will draw a wafer packet. So let's start. Sleeping line and standing line, join with sleeping line on the top, up and down, finish. Here downside also same, up and down, and finish. Now inside this make two sleeping line. Here inside that write L-A-Y-S, Lays. Okay, outside we will make two wafers. You love to eat, right, like children? So one circle, and inside that small curve lines. Okay, it is ready. Now we will draw a chocolate candy. Make one curve, another curve like this, join here, and slanting line up, slanting line down, and join with curve lines. And here this side same way, slanting line, curve finish, and inside that two curve lines. Here two lines like this. Your chocolate is ready. Hope you all understood the topic, and do practice all the exercises, do drawing practice, and eat healthy, be healthy.